Hello my dear children. So, are you all doing well? Right. Today our lesson is unit number 22, My Day. Right? So, shall we start our lesson, Pute? Okay. Okay kids, before we start our lesson, let's learn some good habits. I will speak kindly to all. I will agree with elders. I will listen well to what is spoken by others. I will apologize for any wrong things I have done. They always speak good and kind words to all. Listen to your parents. Don't argue with them. Right? Respect your parents. But they always listen well to what is spoken by others. Then you can hear everything. Then you can learn good things from them. So we should listen well to others. And also, Putta, if you have done anything wrong, you should say sorry. Right? Apologize for any wrong things you have done. If someone says thank you to you, you should say you're welcome. So like that, learn these good habits, Pate. And if one does good deeds like this and behave nicely, such a person lives happily and he would be respected by all. Preached the Gautama Buddha. පාන්දරින් නැගිටලා හීන් සුලගේ ඇවිදලා යාන්තමට වෙහෙසිලා මූණ සෝදමු කෑම ඉවර කර හෙමින් හොඳ ඇඳුමෙන් සැරසෙමින් පොත්ගෙන පාසල් බලා ප්‍රීතියෙන් යමු අක්කා අයියා මල්ලිලා එක්ක පාරේ පෙලිලා අයිනකින් පරිස්සමින් ඉක්මනින් යමු උදයම පුබුදී මුහුණට දියදී කුල දෙවි නමදී ගේ දොර අමදී සිරිත් මල්දම උදෑසනින් අවදි වෙන්න දතකට මුව සෝද ගන්න පිරිසිදු ඇඳුමක් අඳින්න මම හරි ආසයි කොළරොඩු හැම ඉවතලන්න ඉතලෙන් අතුගා දමන්න ගෙමිදුල පිරිසිදු කරන්න මම හරි ආසයි Right, Pute, like this there are many verses in Sinhala on rising early. So my dear children, never get up late even on holidays. Right? We should start our day early in the morning. Okay kids, now you all have listened to some beautiful Sinhala poems. Isn't it? Yes. Pute, those poems tell us what to do when we get up in the morning. Right. Now let's see what we have to do early in the morning. Right? Okay. So now listen to me carefully, Pute. What have I to do early in the morning? First, brush your teeth and wash your face. Help the mother to tidy the bed and clean around. Pute, it is a very good deed to help your mother to clean your bed and to clean the garden, to clean your room. Right? Okay. Then worship the Buddha with Tisarana. It means Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. Right? Then meditate for a while. After that, take the breakfast. Finally, you can worship your parents and start your school work. These days, we can't go to school because of the situation of the country. Right? So, our teachers are doing Zoom sessions so we can start our day like that. Okay, Putte? Right. So, these are the things we do early in the morning. I hope you all are doing like this. If not, you can start your day from today onwards like this. Okay, Putte? Right. Today I am going to teach you how to meditate. Right? About Maitri Bhavanava. Okay, kids. Do you know how to meditate? Yes? And do you know what are the benefits of meditation? Right. I will tell you, Putte. Today we are going to learn Maitri Bhavanava or loving kindness meditation. Okay, children? Right. Putte, now listen to me carefully. Why do we practice loving kindness meditation? Putte, we practice loving kindness meditation to overcome hatred and live peacefully. There are 11 benefits that we will experience when we practice loving kindness meditation or Maitri Bhavanava. Okay, Putte? Then do you know the benefits of meditation? Right, Putte. Your words, speech will be pleasant and your bodily actions will be good. You will perform good verbal actions. Right? Then when you behave like this, you will be a child who will live with loving kindness and without harming others. Right? And also without being a trouble for others. Okay? If we want to be a child like this, what we have to do, Putte? Yes. We should develop a good quality. What is that? That is loving kindness. Okay, Putte? Our Gautama Buddha has preached there are 11 benefits of practicing loving kindness meditation. Okay? Okay, children. Now we are going to do meditate for a while. Okay? Right. Now, sit in a comfortable posture and close your eyes. Now you don't see anything around you. Okay? Keep your right hand on your left hand. Now let's start our meditation. Okay? Putte, don't open your eyes. Right. Now you can say like this while you are meditating. Okay? Now listen to me, children. May all beings in this world be free from anger. May all beings be free from jealousy. May all beings be free from mental suffering. May all beings be free from physical suffering. May they live in peace. May they live happily. Putte, don't open your eyes.
May all be Be free from mental suffering. Be free from physical suffering. May they live in peace. May they live happily.
Okay children, now slowly open your eyes. Pute, there are a lot of benefits of practicing loving kindness meditation. Or we can say Maitri Bhavanavar. Right? You can sleep well. You will not see any nightmares. Everyone will love you. And also you can do your schoolwork well. Right? Like that, there are a lot of benefits of practicing loving kindness meditation. So my dear children, try to do meditate in the morning and in the evening also. Right. Now let's see, Putta, what are the things we can do in the evening? What we do in the evening? Have a nap after returning from school. These days we are not going to school, but we are having our Zoom sessions through online. So we can have a nap after our Zoom sessions. Right. Then get up and have a cup of tea or snack. Then you can play for some time with your brother, with your sister. Okay, children? Next, worship the Buddha, offering flowers, lighting an oil lamp. Okay, you can meditate for a while also. Right. Now switch on the lights. After that, do the homework given by the teachers. Right? Study or read a book. You can study your school books. Okay? Right. Now it is time for dinner. Pute, after dinner, brush your teeth. Okay? Be sure to brush your teeth after your dinner. Then you can watch TV if any children's programs are there. Pute, don't watch the programs for the elders. Right? Don't watch the teledramas. Okay, children? Right. After that, you can worship your parents. Then go to sleep. Not later than 9 p.m. Okay? You should go to bed earlier. Pute, don't be awake with others at home. Why? They will sleep late. But we should awake early in the morning. Right? Okay, children. Okay, kids. Now you all know that it is very important to have a good daily routine for a healthy life. Okay? We have to get up at 6 in the morning and go to bed before 9 at night. Right. Pute, we should have our meals on time and we should meditate for a while. Pute, it is also very important for us to maintain a healthy and happy life. So, my dear children, now you all know how to spend your day properly and meaningfully. Okay, my dear children, this is the end of the lesson for today. I hope you all have enjoyed today's lesson. Study well and do your work on time. Okay, Buddha, stay safe, stay home. May the triple gem bless you all.